everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreativAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm doing a pour. This is on a canvas. I think it was a 12 by 30. I don't remember now, but I'll put it in the description. Let's see. I'm gonna try something. Or do something kind of similar to what I normally do with the Shmearing. Maybe a little bit anyway. I'm going to kind of see, just play around. I watched Molly's Artistry, and she did this really pretty painting today. Oh wait, today when I'm making the video is on Sunday. The 7th. So it was on that day she made the video or had the video posted. Anyway, so she did some blues, although I'm doing black for my base. And she did just kind of, she had negative space as well, and then she just kind of did some lines and then smeared it across. So I'm going to try to do that and just kind of see what I get, just play around a little bit here. So the colors that I'm going to use today, so I have Artist Loft Flow Black on the bottom, Blinkrylic Florescent Magenta or Violet. I think it's Violet. Then I'm using Blinkrylic's Florescent Blue. I'm using Rustoleum's Metallic Eyeshadow Blue. Oh my gosh, I'm totally losing my mind here. Usually I have them over there. The one Blinkrylic was Florescent Violet, and then Metallic Glacier Blue. I don't know what my problem is today. And then I'm also going to use Decoart's Metallic 24 Karat Gold. And then I'm using Amsterdam's Titanium White for my Shmear color. So, let's see. I want to have negative space, but I don't want it to look like two lines. So what she did is she did some lines and then she kind of, you know, did a little of that. So let's see, I'm going to try that. going to bring it down for a close-up. I think that's really pretty. These colors are just amazing on the black base. And just look at all that shimmer. We have the metallic gold and the metallic Glacier blue, the Rustoleums. Sorry about that. I was out of focus there for a second, but I'm liking this. It's really pretty. Got some really cool cells. That one's pretty funky. It looks like almost like a rose is going around it. It's pretty cool. But you guys will have to tell me what you think. I do appreciate everybody watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you will come back and, you know, do all that fun jazzy jazz. Like, subscribe, share, comment, blah, 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 all that. I hope everybody's being healthy and safe. Yeah. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye-bye.